Hello guys, today we are going to make Yema. It's a candy that is made of condensed milk. So we need sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna use 2 cans, but you can use 1 can. A little bit of sugar. This is for your candy so they don't stick together. And a little bit of cooking oil. So we're gonna start brushing this cooking oil into the pan, our cooking pan, that way they don't stick. So we're gonna start brushing this just like this. Coat the bottom of the pan. So now I get the pan well coated with oil. Now we can start pouring our milk into the pan, just like so. And right now you should have your stove on already, only from low to medium heat, because you don't want to get this cooked fast. There's no specific time on how long you're gonna cook this. Just have to look and see the texture. Now I'm going to transfer this into a plate. So I have another dish here where I'm gonna put my candy mix. So I'm going to brush that with oil also. Okay. This to cool off so we can touch it. Okay, I think it's cool to touch now on the edges, so I'm gonna grease my hand so it doesn't stick. Dip it into the oil, grease it like that, and then you can start making a ball. It's the ball I'm talking about. And then put it right there over the sugar. Making this ball, I need to coat it in the sugar and put it in this clean jar. I have to reshape some of this because it got stick together. I didn't have enough room on my plate, so if you want one, just kind of do it like this, and you just shake it off. There. Take it and put it in your mouth. So good. This is so addicting candy. I'm telling you guys, this is so yummy.